Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the correct Crusher ANC2 pads and a small flat tool. Power the headphones off and remove any cable. That prevents accidental damage. Lay everything on a clean, well-lit surface so you can see snap clips and seam edges. Use the flat tool to gently pry the outer lip of the ear pad away from the ear cup. Slow, steady pressure prevents plastic deformation. Once the lip releases, peel the pad off clockwise, keeping track of how it sat. Now you fit the new pads by aligning the pad's seam and any notch to the cup's port. Alignment ensures correct mic and sensor placement. Stretch the pad rim slightly and seat the top edge first, then rotate it around the ear cup while tucking the inner lip under the plastic flange. Work in small sections. Press firmly with your thumbs to snap the flange into place. This even tension prevents gaps and preserves ANC seal quality. Make sure fabric sits smooth and not pinched. To finish, wear the headphones and confirm a snug seal and correct comfort. A poor seal reduces bass and cancels noise less effectively. Play a familiar track and toggle ANC to verify low-end presence and that microphones aren't obstructed. If sound or fit feels off, remove the pad and reseat it, inspecting the flange for lint, adhesive residue, or a twisted lip. These small obstacles cause leaks. If the pad won't seat, gently clean the cup edge and retry. Don't force to avoid breaking clips.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.